Hey guys, Jason from Advanblack. Today we're going to be installing this short rear fender on a Softail. Check it out. Okay guys, our short fender here can only be installed with our short struts and vice versa. You can't really install the large fender with the short struts or the short struts with the large fender. It can't go that way. So you can only match these two up together. Alright, first thing you want to do, you want to run your rear lights off through the provided slots. And then you're going to take the existing wire, you're going to run it through here, tape it down as needed. Okay. So with the mini strut, everything, all the bolts mount from the inside of the fender. There's no outside points where you can screw in. So get everything hand tightened first. Alright, once you guys got everything bolted on, it's ready to install on the motorcycle. Here it is guys, our carbon fiber short fender with our rear struts. Check it out, advanblack.com.